Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks quick unboxing and review of a TUDIA MergeGrip case for the iPhone 13 Pro. This is pretty much the same as the one we have already unboxed and reviewed on the YouTube channel, which was in pine green, whereas this is the black version. So let's just check and see that it's all the same and that there's no differences. So just as with the first one, I'm going to pull the packaging open. Once that's done, we see that on the outside it looks the same apart from it being black. Let's see them side by side. See, this one's black. And usual TUDIA branding and finishing on the inside. I'm going to take my iPhone 14 Pro and pop this in to the case. And just as with the pine green version, this black TUDIA MergeGrip case is good. It fits well, it doesn't add too much bulk, but it properly protects the corners. It gives the screen a bit of lift. It gives the camera bumps a bit of lift. And it's all good to go as far as I'm concerned. All the usual cutouts are in place. So that's great. One thing I want to demonstrate and show off is, in this case, using my Journey MagSafe charger. The TUDIA MergeGrip case is fully compatible with the MagSafe accessories. So in this case, I have a MagSafe accessory on. I'm charging the iPhone 14 Pro and it's working fine. As you can see, it's charging. So all as expected here. Good to see this from TUDIA, as in there's a consistency between colors. So as usual, thanks to TUDIA for sending us this review case of the MergeGrip case for iPhone 14 Pro. If you have any further questions or you'd like to know more, you can either watch our unboxing and review of the pine green version of the case, or just leave us a comment in the section below and we'll get back to you. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.